Hi everyone, my name is Cyrilyn and I am based in Nottingham. I have 4 absolutely amazing children and I help to run a charity called Operation Orphan. I'm a teacher by profession and in the last 5 years I have set up a business called Cyrilyn Silver, named after me, and I basically teach people how to make jewellery. Because I'm a teacher, I'm absolutely passionate about passing on my skills, and so I work with people that are complete beginners usually, and we make wedding rings or we make different jewellery items, so it can be pendants or earrings or whatever really. So I'll do one-to-ones with people if they want to make something really quite specific. Otherwise I do small classes, and I'm based in Nottingham. I'm based in a little place called Chilwell, in a little creative corner with some other independent businesses, and I absolutely love what I do, and I've been asked to put together some little videos for you. So they're going to be just little top tips that we'll be showing on Tuesdays. They'll be really short and snappy, just really little tips, things that maybe you've thought about already. For some of you, maybe you haven't thought about. If you're at the beginning of your jewellery journey, then you're probably going to find them really useful. So look out for some tips on Tuesdays and I'll see you then.